Hello everyone, welcome to All in Europedia Global. My name is Manish Singh and today I am going to discuss with you one global opportunity for mechanical engineering student. And you can see here in this screen we have one opportunity on additive manufacturing, and the university name is University College London and the department is Department of Mechanical Engineering. So in this department we have wonderful opportunity for those students who are working on additive manufacturing especially, that is, and the topic name is optimization of additive manufacturing process using data driven machine learning approach. Correct. So आपको additive manufacturing में जो work करें and along with those who are interested for data science or machine learning, then this is very wonderful opportunity for you guys. And if I talk about its objective, so obviously in this the additive manufacturing process, additive manufacturing performed by using laser light source. So the objective or a detailed description of this project is laser powder bed fusion, that is LPBF. This is a very wonderful additive manufacturing process which can produce object by near net shape. Correct, means machining is not required, full and final shape आपको एक बार में बना के देगा ये. And in this through this additive manufacturing process you can produce metallic parts which is used in aerospace industry and several other industry like nuclear power plant, thermal power plants, and even some parts of automobiles are also manufactured by this process. So huge applicability we have for this technology. And in this particular project, if we see, the laser powder bed fusion additive manufacturing produces component with complex shape directly from the digital design data by joining powder material together using laser beam. Laser beam is actually power source and the stock material is powder, correct, metal powders. And AM technology has transformed the way how we manufacture aerospace. You can see here aerospace, automotive, energy sector and shortening the supply chain. करेक्ट. तो यहाँ पे सप्लाई चेन में इसका मीनिंग क्या है? सो नाउ डेज, जैसे अगर मैं स्पेस की बात करता हूँ, अगर कुछ पार्ट्स वहाँ पे खराब हो गए देन यू नीड टू यू आर कम्प्लीटली डिपेंडेंट ऑन कि जब नेक्स्ट पेलोड आएगा देन यू कैन रिपेयर इट. करेक्ट. बट इफ यू हैव दिस टेक्नोलॉजी इन स्पेस इवन देन यू कैन मैन्युफैक्चर द पार्ट in a space itself. Correct. So this is a very wonderful technology. And next, if I talk about the duration of this course, then obviously this is 3 year, minimum 3 years duration. And the last, if I talk about last date, then you can see here the application is accepted all year around, means this is a rolling advertisement. And आपको यहाँ पे as soon as possible, whenever you feel comfortable, and you can apply, and the early apply the more will be the chances of selection. Correct. So underline this point. And next, if I talk about scholarship, then obviously the scholarship, this is a fully funded program, and you can see here this much amount of scholarship you will get. And if I talk about prerequisites requirement, then obviously those applicants who are interested for this particular opportunity, then they must belongs to chemistry, physics, material science and engineering or related discipline. And ideally you would experience in several other following things like natural science, that analysis, MATLAB, Python. ये कुछ specific requirement है. If you have these requirements like MATLAB knowledge, Python and machine learning, and little bit basics of additive manufacturing and material science and engineering. So if you have these qualifications, then you need to apply this particular program. And ये आपके लिए बहुत ज़बरदस्त प्रोग्राम होने वाला है, and यहाँ पे बहुत abundant opportunities open होने वाली. Is it right? Next step is how to apply this program. Correct. Then you can see obviously यहाँ पे जो फॉरेन में जब आप अप्लाई करते हो तो आपका बेसिक सेटअप कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है? यू नीड टू राइट अ मेल फॉर अ कंसर्न फैकल्टी मेंबर. करेक्ट. तो यहाँ पे मेल आईडी वगैरह भी मैंने आपको प्रोवाइड कर दी. यू जस्ट रीड इट and you also send one CV along with your statement of purpose or statement of research. Correct. And यहाँ पे जब आप communicate करते हो then you will get a call. Correct. उसके बाद आपको फर्दर प्रोसीजर यहाँ पे फॉलो करना होता है. सो विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एप्लीकेशन, इफ़ यू फील एनी डिफिकल्टीज और एनी डाउट, देन फील फ्री टू कॉन्टेक्ट अस. और इसी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको गूगल सेट मिल जाएगा, उसको आप फिल कर देना. वहाँ से आप हमसे कनेक्ट हो सकते हो एंड यू कैन क्लेरिफाई योर क्वेरीज. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड गुड डे टू ऑल ऑफ यू गाइज.